Lesson 17: Electrical Devices and Appliances. Electrical devices is defined as a unit of electrical system which is intended to carry out but not utilize electric energy. Such devices are breakers and fuse. The two productive devices eliminates the use of or protect the circuit from over current that will result to irreparable damage of the circuit of all components and equipment and appliances concerned. Circuit breakers is an protective device also designed to function as a switch. So we have here the glass type, ceramic or body, or slow blow juice. Yes. The circuit breaker is a overcurrent protective device also designed to function as a switch. So we have here the different types: glass type, measuring miniature fuse, ceramic body, slow blow fuse, midget fuse for very high interruptions. So we have the cut view of circuit breaker following the internal parts. We have the line terminal, handle, line terminal, bimetallic strip, movable main contact, and mixed contact. And we have here the electrical device, salary switch and safety switch box and removing box, fuse from the fuse holder. Plugs. Its malfunction is sometimes caused by short circuited plugs. Yeah. Okay. After use for some time, AC outlet screws and bites may loosen. Okay. Switches. Sometimes fail to work after continuous use. Okay. And electrical appliances. Electrical appliances are utilization equipment generally other than industrial, normally built in standardized sizes of types, which is installed or connected as a unit to perform one or more functions such as clothes, cooking foods, air conditioning, radio, and television. These appliances are often stationary and they consume electric current with them.